So today I want to share a really cool new feature in Chat GPT you might or might not have heard about. It's tasks. So they're scheduled tasks that you can ask your tool, the AI tool, to do for you, whether that's weekly, monthly, daily. So I'm going to go into Chat GPT in just a second and show you, but here are some ways that you could use this. If you have daily tasks that you want to do, and instead of putting a reminder on your phone, if you prefer to not be on your phone and want to be in email, you can have the reminder sent straight to your email. You could gather things like a daily weather report, a daily news report from very specific sources. If you want to maybe talk to somebody and want to get interview questions ready, you can ask ChatGPT to send you those questions right before the start of a interview. There's all kinds of things, and I'm just getting started with tasks, so I'm thinking that once you see the possibilities, we're going to think of lots of different ways. But this video is really about showing you how you can actually use these tasks and where you find it, because it's a little tricky to find it, and this is a pretty simple how-to video. So bear with me as I go to Chat GPT, and I'll see you in the other window. All right, we're in Chat GPT. I'm going to show you task. I put in a prompt and let's see if it can do it. Step one, we're asking it to explain the new feature tasks. Then we're going to ask it to give us an example. And then the next step is create a primer on how to set one up. So let's see if Chat GPT can follow my directions. All right. So the answer to the first question was, what are tasks? It enables users to automate actions by scheduling prompts to run at specific times or intervals. This allows ChatGPT to perform tasks like sending reminders or providing regular updates, even when they're not actively using the application. It's akin to having a personal assistant that manages routine tasks and reminders. So here's an example of a task. It's a daily briefing. Suppose you want to receive a summary of the latest AI news every afternoon. You can set up a task in ChatGPT to send you this briefing daily. Once scheduled, it will automatically generate and send you the news summary at the specified time each day. All right, so in order to create a task, you need to be in this window. You need to make sure you toggle to GPT 4.0 with scheduled tasks. Otherwise, it won't work. Here is a prompt that I've used that works. Create a daily early morning weather report for Pittsfield, Vermont. Send an email reminder each morning at 5:30 a.m. I'm doing this because I run between 6 and 6:30. I want to know what the weather's. It's nice to just get the report sent to me. So you then hit go and let's see what happens. There you go. Send Pittsfield weather report daily at 5:30. Got it. I send it every morning at 5:30. That's that simple. Now, there's a lot of different ways you could use these tasks. You can have it aggregate the news for you, the weather, dates on your competitors, things that you don't want to forget, things that you need to do. You can upload your task list in there. Task in Chat GPT is pretty cool. So really wanted to share that with you. And I'm glad I was able to. Make sure you select the right model and then make sure you're pretty succinct with the prompt that you put in. There's a lot of different things you can do, a lot of different things you can outsource to AI. I'm thinking professionally, reminders of appointments and deadlines. Personally, you could set reminders for your wellness. For example, drink water every hour, set reminders every hour, go for a walk, exercise, call your mom, send reminders to call your mom. How about learning a language, telling AI to talk to you in French every hour on the hour and ask you a question? Think about it. It is endless. It's basically your own personal assistant that you can train to come back at you and remind you of things and to help you accomplish tasks that otherwise you might not do. But when somebody reminds you, it's like an accountability partner. And when you're a solopreneur, a lot of you might be watching this, might be freelancers, small business owners, or working from home. And so when there's nobody there in the office with you, if you're by yourself, AI can be that accountability partner that you need to get stuff done. So there are lots and lots of opportunities to use this new task feature in Chat GPT. And I'm glad I was able to show you how it works today. And I would love to know from you what you will be automating and how you are going to use this task and how excited you are about learning about this. My name is Doreen. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell below. Thank you so much.